Gentlemen, top 8 answers on the board. Here we go. When the Jolly Green Giant sneezes, name a vegetable that comes out of his nose.
Peas.
Peas. Pass the play.
They're gonna play.
They're gonna play. Britton, when Jolly Green Giant sneezes, name a vegetable that comes out his nose.
Steve, I'm gonna say broccoli.
Broccoli. Liz, Jolly Green Giant sneeze. Give me a vegetable come out his nose.
Gotta be green beans, Steve.
Green beans. Clay, Jolly Green Giant sneezes. The vegetable comes out his nose.
Corn, Steve.
Corn. Mary, Jolly Green Giant sneezes. Vegetable comes out of his nose.
I'm gonna go with okra.
Okra.
Good answer. That's a good answer.
I mean, it is a vegetable.
It is.
A little off the beaten path, but it's a vegetable. Okra. Chris, Jolly Green Giant sneezes. The vegetable that comes out his nose.
I'm gonna say tomatoes.
Tomato.
Got a big nose.
Britt, you got 2 strikes. You got to be careful now. Star Wars can steal.
Steve, what about spinach? Spinach?
Spinach! Little Liz, Jolly Green Giant sneezes. Give me a vegetable come out of his nose.
Gotta be carrots, Steve.
Carrots! Play 2 strikes. You got to be careful. Star Wars family can steal.
What about peppers, Steve?
Peppers. Star Wars Jolly Green Giant sneezes. Name a vegetable that comes out his nose.
Steve, we got to go with potatoes. Potatoes.
Oh, potato. Number 7. Number 6.